Do you have stressed stomach? You know that feeling you get in your stomach, that gut feeling, the butterflies in your stomach, maybe before the first day, big day, job interview? That is the gut-brain connection in action. Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Marley with Family First Chiropractic, and your brain and your gut have a literal connection. They're constantly talking back and forth through the vagus nerve. It's the gut-brain axis. Now, stress affects our digestive system, and our digestive system affects stress. We know how after we eat maybe a poor food choice, we might get a little bit of brain fog. But we can flip that around, that maybe when we get stressed, we actually start to crave sugary, salty, fatty foods. This is the connection between our gut and our brain. Now, with that being said, chiropractic adjustments have a proven track record and connection of improving the quality of the communication between the vagus nerve and the rest of the central nervous system back to the stomach. This can provide a calming sense of ease to not only the body, but also the digestive system. So if you're struggling with digestive system conditions, it's wise to have the communication network between the gut-brain axis properly evaluated. If you like this video, check out our other ones, but otherwise, have your spine checked for interference. My name is Dr. Joel Marley, Family First Chiropractic.